Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a cat eye look. Now, if you guys aren't on TikTok, what are you doing? I feel like everyone's on TikTok now, but there is like this cat eye trend and everyone is wanting that slick, like pulled back look. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is a must-have palette, especially if you want to do smoky eyes, cat eyes, because there is a bunch of neutral shades. They blend beautifully. Gorgeous. So I have primed ready to go, and I just used the P. Louise eye base. This is also a must, you guys. Like, it is so good. I never use concealer anymore. I always use that. So we are going to go into a nice, just little bronzy light shade, and I'm going to put this just all over the eye and just match it up to my like nose contouring. So just putting this like basically on the brow bone and dragging it out basically like as far as your eyebrow goes. So now I'm going to go in to this shade, and we are going to just darken up that crease. And you kind of just want to like flick it up. So all your movements, you kind of just want to like elongate your eye and flick it up, because that is going to give you like that pulled up look. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the darker one and mix it with that shade I just used, and just repeat that step. So just going in the crease and going like halfway to your eye, and then go upwards motion. So as you can see, that is making it look more lifted. Now I'm actually going to get the James Charles palette because I love this champagne gold shade in here. So I'm going to use that on the lid. And this is basically just going to like widen your eye up, make you look beautiful. This is pretty much the look that James Charles did on Addison Rae. So I just stop it to the middle of my eye and then just blend it out with some of the brown eyeshadow. Okay, now to get that cat eye look, we're going to take the dark brown and the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And you want to start off at the point. So that's so just create a line just like that. And I like to do the eyeshadow starting like in the middle of my eye. You don't want to do like the whole way, just go to the middle and then just join them together. And I feel like when you get a smaller wing, that is going to make it more elongated. And then what I'm going to do is just add a little bit in the corner. Ta-da! Once you add a wing, it brings it to life. I'm going to do the other eye now and put some lashes on, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so lashes are on and I just used the Adele Wispies, done my mascara, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of brown eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and then the look is complete. Super easy, right? So just taking a bit of that dark brown shade. And just popping it below my lash line. Alright guys, that is the final finished look. So as you can see, my eyes are nice and cat eye. I love this. It's just such a super easy look to do. All you need is a few brown eyeshadows and basically you're done. Hope you guys liked this little tutorial, and yeah, if you want to see some more TikTok trends. But if you guys liked this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye. Mwah.